Hello, everyone. Welcome to Fijian Investment Trader. My name is Mr. Singh. Skills, ticker symbol SKLZ. Well, folks, um, I have not this video uh, last week that I did that, and I have not done a video because I was waiting on the key levels to break and news that I want to bring out. So do not go anywhere. Buckle up, fasten your seatbelt, and enjoy the ride because we have a lot to cover in this video. First of all, I really appreciate you guys watching it, supporting the channel, and without you guys, I couldn't even do videos on skills because I'm invested in this company, and I believe it has a lot of potential time and time, and the growth has shown, right? Well, let's see how we did, right? Open the market, pre-market, it went to 609 and got rejected. If you have not watched my previous video, I would strongly recommend to go and see it because we did a technical analysis on the video. We talked about the key support level and the resistance level on the two majors, right? And it broke through on that. There were two resistance that it broke, two support it broke as a hold. So that were the key things that I wanted to I shared in my previous videos. So check out on that and tell me what you guys think about it. So, further ado, we came 609, that on the spot, as what we said, expected, and we rejected on the pre-market. Well, we came the low of going up, and it was a downfall all the way. We went high of 604, went high today, and came back. And guess what, folks? $5.75, dead on, and we ended on that, and it was a support level, and we closed on Wednesday, which is today. I'm doing a late video, and we did that, right? And we closed at 27 cents, which is 4.49%. We did aftermarket went up 0.75, and we kind of closed the day on that. Well, quickly on the 5-day, guess what, folks? When we were doing it, I did mention our key level support of $5.35, 5.75. We broke, right? We tested two major support levels, right? We broke out on the 5 days, right? And actually, I'm going to go back a little bit further than that, right? This is what we were talking on my video, that, hey, folks, we have a breakout coming. I expected it to be breakout on the 3rd. Well, actually broke out pretty much today, right? And it was waiting on this channel. So we're going to clean up this chart right now a little bit so you guys can see it. It was discussed on my previous video, but now this is a very good sign because we are a formation of a squeeze. Yes, folks, formation of a squeeze because we came right up here, right? Now we're going to see this trend, where this trend leads us, right? And before I'm going to go, make sure we are on that. I'm going to change some color. I like color green, and we'll have it right up here. Kind of shift it a little bit, make sure we underline, right? And let's see this squeeze. Let's see this squeeze, where is going to lead us on that, right? It is a formation of an uptrend, and which I want to go show you guys right now. So it is going up, testing the key levels time and time. I did discuss in my previous video, hey folks, 609 we're going to be rejected because time and time. It's not that I predicted and I was right? And we're going to keep it as this, and going to keep it as, I'm not going to change it to yellow yet, right? Where support level, I want to see how we do it on Thursday and Friday and see if it breaks out or not. So right now, what we are sitting right here, actually I shifted it back here, 5.35. $5.35 is the support level, but right now our support, it is at $5.75, dead on, because it's the moving average, right? The moving average was sitting right here. You can see on my 3-month chart that my purple line, it is my 60-day EMA, and it's acting as a support, right? And we had the crossover right here. When you have this purple line, right? When you have this purple line, and it's below the, when you have this pink line, and you have this purple line below the pink line, means it's an uptrend. It's a confirmation on that. Granted, right? We had a lot of sell-off what happened. Because people were holding these shares and they sold out, right? And it has been holding it for long, from $4.72 in January. If you're looking on the 18, when we had this massive run, right, from $4.72 all the way up. So the key level 609. I'm gonna have to draw another key level that we gotta keep an eye and to see if it's break or no, which is gonna be sitting right around right here, $6.61. So $6.61, $6.51 is gonna be a three key levels to break out. I can see it trading in between this, then go test next high, right? What are we looking on the 6 month chart? But this is the very key one, right? This is the key one that we have, because time and time, $6.49 we're getting rejected, right? On the 6 months and year to date. Let me do something so you guys can go, right? I want to make sure that you guys can see it. Sorry, folks, I'm a very technical guy. I like my chart in terms of how we do it. So in terms of investment, because I don't trade on that. So the highest point, it is none other than $17, right? Love to see that, but that's a long way to go right now. But we gotta take some baby steps. But if we break out these three key levels, right? $6.51. We break out $6.61, $6.51. I don't know why I'm saying that, but $6.51. Oh boy, oh boy, there is a run coming. Expect a run without doubt, right? Because there's a big sell-off happen, has not filled up the gap all the way up, which is going all the way to $7, then high on that. But it is showing a improvement, right? If you go all the way to $3.96, came high of $6.80, came back, acted that as a support. Now we're making another run. It is okay to do that. Stocks, when you trade us on the sideways, like that, knowing that it is potential, and you're gonna see that run. I'm not gonna be surprised if you're gonna see all the way to $6.94. Why I'm saying that? Because of this earnings coming up, folks. It's 1 month from now. Right now, you're gonna see earnings coming up. It's gonna play a big part. Still a moderate buy with the final analysis on that, stating on that. So a lot of momentum, a lot of volume is going to pick up, right? A lot of volume is going to pick up. Volume is there, but it's not as much I like to see it, right? But a lot of buyers. What we did today? Look at it, right here. A lot of buyers coming in, stepping in. Love to see that, right? Inflow is better than the outflow. When you see that, there is a buyers coming in on that. In terms of, and a lot of people holding shares around at $6 right now, right? $6, 578. A lot of invested on that too. So a lot, like I said, a lot of volume coming in. Love to see more volume, because once we see, because price action produced by the volume of it, right? And if there's a massive movement comes in, it's because that. But I like the trading going sideways, then creating that. And like I said, I can see testing again over here, then going back. Or tomorrow, buckle up, folks. Thursday and Friday. I wouldn't be surprised going to $6.51 and testing that level. Absolutely, I can see that testing it. Right now, everything is pointing towards that. We D head across over on my MACD over here, right? But I'm not worried about it, because RSI, it is in the middle right now. So it will flip over switch right now, where you're going to see a dip a little bit over here, which you're going to trade in between, and it goes up my MACD on that, right? Time and time, right here. Time and time, what we did. Time and time, right? So overall, I like what I see. Hey, folks, buckle up. You have enjoy ride coming on if you're a bull. So thank you for watching. Please, without your support, I can't do it, right? I hope you guys can subscribe to this channel. It's free. It helps, motivates me, encourage me to keep doing it. I'm here for the long run as usual with you guys. So support me and support you. I'm going to bring you from breaking news. I'm doing a breakdown of the earnings. If you guys love to see the video, I would love to see you guys support. So in that way, I'm encouraged to also, but I'm still going to do it. I'm bringing out the earnings, how it's going to look like, how I expect the stock price to go in. But go watch my previous video. I did called it out on the 2 key levels. So guess what? It acted as a support. We bounced out on the resistance on the dead on, right? $6.09. So thank you for watching, folks. I really appreciate it and hope you guys have a wonderful couple days of trading. And recap of video is coming on Saturday on Sklz. Thank you.